Small sedans like the 2026 Suzuki Liana have revolutionized the market. Outdoors, a bold athletic silhouette is elegant and aggressive. Satin chrome hexagonal grille and fold matrix headlamps that taper toward the fenders resemble focused eyes to the front. Shaped intakes and a faux diffuser give the bumper a sporty look, and subtle hood creases indicate motion even when parked. Flowing shoulders, chrome window trim, and 17-inch diamond-cut alloy wheels with aerodynamic inserts. Wraparound LED taillights are sleek. The panel's subtle light bar emits futuristic light at night. In the 2026 Liana, the interior is far superior. For a minimalist, luxurious look, Suzuki used soft-touch materials, metallic accents, and a new dual-tone interior theme. The clean dashboard features a 12.3-inch floating infotainment display with ultra-responsive haptics and crisp graphics. In addition to music and temperature, it supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto and Suzuki's latest AI-powered smart assistant for intuitive voice commands. We offer fully digital instrument clusters with customizable layouts, navigation, performance, eco-watts, and analog mimicry. Comfortable plush fabric and leatherette combination seats with just enough bolstering are a major upgrade. Driving memory and power adjust. Both front seats are heated and ventilated. Legroom, a flat floor for the center passenger, rear AC vents, and USB-C ports for fast charging make rear passengers feel included. Suzuki dampened the chassis to make it quiet at highway speeds. Soft, customizable ambient lighting highlights the dash and door trims with drive modes and moods. 2026 Liana's 1.5L mild hybrid petrol engine produces 120 horsepower and 145 nanometers. A 6-speed CVT with natural-feeling gear shifts is hooked up. Targets are fuel efficiency, refinement, and smooth urban cruising. Suzuki's 22 km/h combined fuel economy is segment-leading. Stiffer and more balanced chassis improve Liana ride and handling. The suspension buffers bumps and stays calm during sudden directional changes. 6 airbags, ESP, traction control, hill hold assist, ISO OSX child seat mounts. 5th-star crashes have more high-strength steel. Liana redefines sedans at competitive prices. Urban families, young professionals, and anyone seeking affordable, reliable innovation may adore the Liana.